This is one of the most creative kitchens that you will ever see. Have you ever tried using Emami Mantra Chole Masala? But not in just chole, in your kulcha. Can you believe that? Yes, that's what's happening. I mean, it's very easy to buy kulchas, in a store. But the feeling of making your own kulcha is another trip. Okay. How did I make my kulcha dough? You take 250 grams of flour, about 150 grams of water, half a teaspoon of yeast, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chole masala, a little bit of oil, and then I put about 2 tablespoons of milk powder as well for that richness. And then my dough is ready. You keep the dough till it gets almost double in size. It should take you about 45 minutes to an hour. And here we are right now with this amazing dough. Let's proceed. So the first thing is though, I'm going to knock back all the extra air. And then we're going to be dividing it equally as to depending upon how much you are looking for. अगर आपको बड़े कुलचे चाहिए तो ये 3 बन सकते हैं, आराम से 6 बन सकते हैं. Anyway, let's check it out. So I've got about almost 50 gram kulchas, 50 to 55. That is perfecto. So I'm just going to dust my tray a little bit, putting it here. Then again simply fold this together just like this, get at the bottom, and then simply shaping them. And then I'm going to be rolling it out into nice ovals and then let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Well, while that is happening, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly make up my chole masala wala special dish for you. And basically it's all about time management, Nothing is impossible. If you want to attempt to make more dishes and you want to be a little more experimental, बस थोड़ी सी planning ही चाहिए आपको. And of course, these amazing masalas which I always talk about, made with the top spices. Good ingredients make good products. It's very simple. Input is equal to output. So I, as a chef, always prefer quality over quantity. And that's the reason why Emami healthy and tasty mantra spices are always in my pantry. Believe me. So I've got my balls resting here. I'm just going to cover them for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to rest it for about 5 minutes before I roll it out. And in the meanwhile, let's get on with the paneer. So I'm cooking this amazing dish, which is the paneer, peas and chana. Quite a cool combo, isn't it? Using the mantra chole masala. And I'm just also waiting at the same time for my dough balls to rise up. So there's a lot of multitasking going on, and as I was saying that it's not difficult. अगर आपकी थोड़ी सी planning, थोड़ी सी इच्छा है to try to attempt to do 2 or 3 different times, anyone can do it. And I know you people who are watching me, आप तो expert है ना? अभी हम इसमें पहले जीरा का एक छौंक मार लेते हैं. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of jeera to this. Then we're going to be adding a couple of chilies as well. Beautiful tempering. Next, I'm going to be adding just a few chopped onions. Okay. So the onions are getting a nice translucent, बिल्कुल प्यार से पक रहे हैं, along with the jeera and the chili. So once you come to like this stage, that's the time you're going to be adding आपका अदरक और लहसुन. Now, I can also tell you that ये मसाले जो इतने शानदार है that if you want to skip the onion and the ginger and the garlic, Believe me, it's all good. Okay, so I've added like one nice teaspoon and a half of ginger garlic paste here. Beautiful. तो अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़े से टमाटर एंड नमक स्वाद अनुसार टू टेस्ट. So giving this a nice mix, making sure that the tomatoes are being cooked down nicely. I'm going to turn this down. And at this point, I have my paneer here. Okay. Also मेरे पास ये पके हुए चने हैं यहाँ पे, which I will also be adding. And also season है, मटर है, तो why not? So for my mantra का छोला मसाला, I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon and a half or at least 2 teaspoons of this amazing chole masala. The USP और जो इसकी खूबी है ये मसालों की है कि these are sourced from the top most grade spices. So it starts with amazing ingredients. उसके बाद है process. Okay, cryo grinding. No using heat. When you start using heat, the masala start getting over roasted. Also at the same time, the oils come out, which means that once your spice loses its oil, it loses its flavor as well as nutrition. So the therapeutic value of spices just disappears. So that's what Emami has got it so right and so bang on that कुछ टेंशन नहीं है आपको. And also they have this lovely Ziploc feature, which is like a blessing in disguise. Okay, I use it, tuck, close it and keep it in my fridge. At least 6 months, believe me. तो अभी हमारी ग्रेवी अच्छी बन गई है. Gravy or masala, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water into this. So next I have my cooked chana in this. I've got my paneer, which needs actually no marination because it's going to be nicely cooking in this. We're just going to give this a little toss. And then our green peas, lovely, beautiful. थोड़ा सा धनिया. And then the final, अगर आपको अमचूर डालना है, lemon juice डालना है, वो देख लेंगे. Just some final finishing, amazing. Oh yeah, perfecto. So I love the way that I'm using my chole ka masala. You can use it also on non-chole dishes. I've got my paneer matar here. I've got cholas in here. Extra protein. In fact, this is like a double protein thing what we have here. Going to give this a little thing. Perfecto. And now, थोड़ी सी tasting wasting हो जाए अभी. Why not? Amazing. Now to some bigger business, the kulchas. So I think these babies are ready to be rolled into nice oblongs or any kind of shape you want. So I'm just going to be doing nice oval shaped kulchas just like that. Lovely. So I'm going to be putting my kulchas here. So we are just getting this into this oval kind of shape. Beautiful. Okay, so these are pretty good here. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of water. So water. I'm adding this water now so that we have our sesame seeds here. Sometimes you can also add some roasted dhania seeds which have been toasted as well. You can do that as well. Perfect. Some coriander. A little bit of our chole masala on the top, and why not? And once they come out, we can just brush them with a little bit of oil or butter as you wish, or just leave it like that. Oh, so almost double in size. Preheating the oven, 200 degrees, 15 to 16 minutes, very important. Now, in nice and hot oven, boom, there we go. Oh yeah! Amazing. Lovely, gorgeous kulchas. Perfect. Oh, lovely. So a little bit of butter. Delicious, lovely kulchas. So I just love when the butter hits these kulchas. They are absolutely delicious. Lovely. Perfecto. So हमारा छोले मसाले वाला मटर पनीर और छोले is ready. Beautiful. So you've got this really nice, amazing soul food happening here. Thanks to Emami healthy and tasty mantra spices, that I don't have to worry about anything. So I'm going to put it here. Let's get a little bit of garnish on it. Put a little bit of प्याज तो बनता ही है. थोड़ी अदरक भी डाल देते हैं इसमें. Amazing. Then of course a little bit of dhania. Awesome. And wow, I'm really proud of these kulchas today, man. So we've got a very nice kulchas going on here. Well, the dish is ready, and all I can say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Emami Mantra Chole Masala, the most amazing spices in my kitchen to create this lovely chole masala inspired matar paneer chole and a chole masala flavored kulcha. Enjoy!